In today's video, we'll look at the new 2024 Brabus 900 Rocket R, based on Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupe.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. Brabus is a German high-performance tuning firm with its headquarters in Bottrop, as many aficionados are already aware. It was established in 1977. The company developed a reputation for tuning Mercedes-Benz vehicles, particularly AMG models. It provides not-able performance improvements over factory-released models, radical design updates, and distinctive interior makeovers made with premium leathers, high-quality accents, and expert craftsmanship. The internal cabin is equally lovely and a great spot to spend time while traveling non-stop. The car has contrasting red piping on the seats and perforations, as well as on the trim pieces, floor mats, and black leather upholstery with quilting in the Brabus crest pattern. The driver's pedals and paddle shifters, which are painted aluminum parts, are mixed with carbon fiber features in the center console. The leather trim around the sport chrono clock and the instrument panel both benefit from this sporty contrast design, while the steering wheel receives red ornamental stitching and top center marking. The installation of a revised suspension component that includes fully adjustable sport springs that can change the Brabus 900's ride height by up to 25 mm also enhances the vehicle's driving dynamics by dramatically reducing the center of gravity. The 900 Cabriolet stands apart from any other, regular, open-top Porsche 911 on the road thanks to Brabus' installation of a set of 22 21st-inch lightweight monoblock Z, Platinum Edition, forged wheels with a signature black finish. The Brabus 900, a magnificent build based on the Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet, was unveiled earlier this year, shocking everyone despite the company's positioning as an exclusive Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, and smart tuner. With astounding power statistics, superb handling, and an even more aggressive stance, this wicked vehicle also boasts exposed carbon fiber components and a stunning handcrafted interior cabin. Furthermore, the open-top Brabus Porsche will continue revving its flat six heart until it reaches its electronically regulated top speed of 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour, if your right foot is firmly planted on the ground. The 820 Turbo S Cabriolet is one of the quickest supercars Brabus has ever produced because the manufacturer is able to extract so much performance out of this well-proven platform. With the aid of two actively regulated valves, the high-performance Inconel exhaust system converts each redline bounce into a meticulously organized six-cylinder concert. In addition to providing the right acoustics, these valves also improve power delivery by lowering engine back pressure. Additionally, the driver is in control of an active sound management system that, with the touch of a button, allows him to seamlessly convert between an intense straight-six roar when in sport mode and a quiet whisper when in coming home mode. According to the business, the Brabus 900 was developed to reimagine our signature black and bold design language while maintaining the Brabus typical 1-second wow factor in every detail. The car now has better appearance and aerodynamics. The Porsche 911 Turbo, a vehicle that can be swift around a track and comfortable on the highway, is often cited as the model for contemporary sports cars. The 911 even outperforms this recipe by providing enough functionality and adaptability to be used as a daily driver. Just ask Porsche CEO Oliver Blume, who stayed in a roof tent at this year's Le Mans endurance race, that it can even be converted into an overland camper. The coupe from Stuttgart, on the other hand, is a true monster, especially if you know how to improve it. Unquestionably, Brabus is a business that has experience modifying performance. The aftermarket company in Bottrop rarely chooses Porsche for its tuning projects, but when it does, the outcomes are outstanding. Similar to the recently released Brabus 900 Rocket R, which is based on the Porsche 911 Turbo S. There is no mistake this vehicle because its exterior features a full-body upgrade that Brabus refers to as wide-star bodywork. It has improvements made of carbon fiber, such as a new front lip spoiler, new air vents in the wheel arches, and a new diffuser at the rear. The entire system has undergone wind tunnel optimization, and according to Brabus, the outcome is next-level aerodynamic efficiency. But the real action takes place in the engine. The 3.8-liter flat-six engine is upgraded by Brabus with two larger, more effective turbochargers, increasing its output to 900 horsepower, 662 kilowatts. The six-cylinder mill breathes more easily thanks to a high-performance sports exhaust system with electronically controlled valves made of high-grade Inconel. The 911 Turbo S now accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0-100 kilometers per hour, in just 2.5 seconds as opposed to 2.7 seconds for the stock car. This is possible because of the increased power. Other improvements include 5-spoke, 21, or 22-inch forged Brabus monoblock P Platinum Edition wheels. The majority of the interior elements in the cabin are covered in black leather, and the seats have hexagonal designs. The upholstery on the headliner is upholstered in Alcantara leather. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.